Introducing the all-new Italiano range of pizza. Pizza Ultimo. Pizza Hut.
Professor S.A. Norbert of the Department of Geography at the University of Colombo attributes the intensity of thunderstorms and wind speeds to global warming. The professor points out that floods triggered by heavy showers can be expected in the coming months. Incidentally, many parts of the island were affected by the prevalent heavy downpour and strong winds.
Vehicular traffic along the Nuvareli-Udupu-Slave road was disrupted as a result of a fallen tree. Our correspondent said that vehicular movement along the road was restored by this evening. Strong winds that blew across the Magalle area in Galle destroyed a house. News First U reporter Ganesh Krishantan from Kutagala said electricity posts and cables had collapsed due to strong winds. Krishantan also reported that a tree had collapsed onto a house in the Watavala area. Dhammika Pushpakumara, who is a News First U reporter from Varlaskamua, said that a roof of a building located on the Galhenvatta road in Katuavala was damaged by strong winds. These are visuals of the strong winds that were experienced in Colombo and its suburbs last night. Let's take a look at the satellite images of the weather conditions that are currently affecting the island. Let's first turn our attention to the AccuWeather website, where you can see two weather fronts moving in towards Sri Lanka from the eastern part of the Indian Ocean. As you can see, the edges of these two weather fronts are impacting Sri Lanka, and this could have a impact on the wind speeds and the wind conditions in Sri Lanka. Let's quickly turn our attention to the Indian Met Department's Kalpana satellite. As you can see here, there is heavy cloud cover over the island, and the weather front that we mentioned earlier is here as well. We can expect heavy showers as a result of these weather conditions, accompanied by strong winds in several parts of the island over the next couple of days. Now, Sri Lanka is not the only area that is being affected by these weather conditions. A number of countries have also been affected by these adverse weather conditions. Meanwhile, thousands of people have fled their homes across Central Europe as deadly floodwaters continue to rise. Emergency operations are underway in Austria, Germany and the Czech Republic to deal with the record levels of floods in some places. According to the BBC, landslides and flooding have led to the deaths of at least 6 people, while at least 8 are missing. The German cities of Passau and Rosenheim have declared a state of emergency, with authorities in Passau, which lies at the confluence of 3 rivers in Bavaria, saying waters had risen to record levels. German Chancellor Angela Merkel had discussed the floods in phone calls with the premiers of Bavaria and Saxony. 4 days ago, many parts of China received rainfall of over 100 millimeters. What are the reasons for the inclement weather experienced here at home and in several other countries?
This time, the intensity of thunderstorm and the wind speed increased because of global warming. Because of the global warming, in the tropical regions, you can expect lot of cyclones. It originates cyclones. That the problem is that when the temperature is increased, the intensity of the cyclones and the frequency of the cyclones will increase. So this is the future trends. You can see this scenario in future also, because you can't reduce the global warming, because there are a lot of international conventions initiated lot of activities to reduce these greenhouse gases, but it is very difficult to control at least the minimum level. Now they have increased, global warming is increasing. In future there will be a heavy rainfall, heavy floods, and the intensity of cyclone will increase in the developing countries.
What can a tropical island such as Sri Lanka expect in its weather patterns?
We have realized that the temperature of Sri Lanka is gradually increasing. So this is not a very good signal. In future, that due to this temperature increase, end of sometimes July, August month, there will be a heavy floods in Sri Lanka, in the upcountry and other areas.